That's Mr. Keith right there. This is what Riu Reggae look like. So this is Keith, otherwise known as Chichi. And this is what Riu Reggae look like. It's a complete mess. It's a disaster. Okay? Yeah, man. This is Tyrone reporting from 5 o'clock Tyrone News. Yeah, man, that's the Bellman Nester. So it's a mess, alright? Riu Reggae.
Yeah, what they say? Yeah, watch your blood. See, I want to real blood out. And I drew up blood clotting and go on the dog. They say, what? The drain which the main drain fuck up. Government, they say. So, unjournalists, oh, and them? Watch out. Who will play for the watch out.
No taxi driver out tomorrow. Heavy flooding. Rhino Rear should be a mess. Nobody out tomorrow. Heavy flooding. Rio definitely flooding out.
Whole area flood out, dog. See you, fuck. Online school, pure water or something that to come off a drain off of the main road. Oh my god, I can't believe this is hotel. Oh, this is ghetto. I need to leave. Like, really? After having lunch? Oh my god.